Did you know that using High Level, you can instantly notify your team whenever a hot lead takes action? This is a really powerful automation that you can use if you've got big sales teams, want better communication within your company, and are ready to tackle every lead you get with efficiency. Let's dive right in. Building a workflow like this only takes 2 steps. 1, finding your trigger. Your trigger can be anything from whenever a contact is created. So if somebody comes into your system, you'll get notified. The website or funnel page view trigger is also a great trigger that you can use because it signals that your customer is trying to engage with your content. And of course, one of the easiest and most efficient triggers you can use is the customer replied trigger, which will allow you to launch this workflow whenever a customer replies to you in a multitude of different sales channels. So for this example, let's take action and notify our team whenever our customer replies to us in the reply channel of, let's say, email. This can work really well if we've got an email campaign going, so we know whenever a customer replies, we can immediately get on top of it. We can do this by clicking Save Trigger and then adding an action, and our action will be internal notification. This is an awesome action that I've used plenty and that you can use to notify your team within workflows. You can use this by first selecting the type of notification, whether it's email, notification, or SMS. Keep in mind, notifications will go to the mobile app and the desktop app. But to keep things simple, let's do an SMS notification. Then you can select the user type, whether it's all users, assigned users, a custom number, or a particular user. Let's just do all users so everyone gets notified. And just like this, we can craft our message with a custom field to notify everybody about which lead is engaging on these platforms. We can then click Save Action, Publish, and we'll be good to go. Now, using this workflow, whenever a customer replies to us via email, if we've got an email marketing campaign going on, or any other marketing campaigns, our entire team will be notified, and we can use this to stay on top of our leads, communicate efficiently within our company, and close more deals. I would encourage exploring this workflow more and using that internal notification action across all of the automations within your company to keep everyone informed and keep things running smoothly. As always, I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you learned something new, and thanks for watching.